Hello, guys. Today, as well, we're going to have a new and important lesson. Today's lesson is going to be terms of chemistry. We are going to have vocabulary and pronunciation. This lesson is very important, especially for distinguished school students and people who are interested in this field. We are going to help you. Just focus and try to pay more attention to understand it very well, and besides, you're gonna be able to know the real and actual terms for each word in chemistry. So let's get started. Chemistry, 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 chemical, 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 chemist, 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 chapter, chapter, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, thermodynamic, 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 potential energy, potential energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, kinetic energy, kinetic energy, system, 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 open system, open system, open system, closed system, closed system, closed system, isolated system, isolated system, isolated system, heat, 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 temperature, 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 pressure, 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 standard temperature under pressure, STP, standard temperature and pressure, STP, standard temperature and pressure, heat capacity, heat capacity, heat capacity, specific heat, specific heat, specific heat, intensive properties, intensive properties, intensive properties, extensive properties, extensive properties, extensive properties, density, 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 volume, 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 enthalpy, enthalpy change, enthalpy change, enthalpy change, state function, state function, state function, initial state, initial state, initial state, final state, final state, thermochemistry, 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 absorb, 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 release, 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 exothermic, 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 endothermic, 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 reactant, 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 products, 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 standard enthalpy of reaction, standard enthalpy of reaction, standard enthalpy of formation, standard enthalpy of formation, standard enthalpy of formation, combustion, 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 standard enthalpy of combustion, standard enthalpy of combustion, standard enthalpy of combustion, enthalpy of physical state, enthalpy of physical state, vaporization, 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 condensation, 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 fusion, 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 crystallization, 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 Heath's law, Heath's law, Heath's law, chemical reaction, chemical reaction, chemical reaction, intermediate reaction, intermediate reaction, intermediate reaction, main reaction, main reaction, spontaneous, spontaneous, spontaneous process, spontaneous process, spontaneous reaction, spontaneous reaction, spontaneous reaction, spontaneous, 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 non-spontaneous, non-spontaneous, entropy, entropy, disorder, disorder, increase disorder, increase disorder, decrease disorder, decrease disorder, decrease disorder, increase number of moles, increase number of moles, increase number of moles, increase service area, increase service area, Gibbs free energy, Gibbs free energy, Gibbs free energy, equilibrium, equilibrium, equilibrium. Chapter 2, Chapter 2, chemical, chemical equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, chemical reaction, chemical reaction, chemical reaction, irreversible reaction, irreversible reaction, irreversible reaction, reversible reaction, reversible reaction, reversible reaction, reversible homogeneous reaction, reversible homogeneous reaction, reversible homogeneous reaction, irreversible homogeneous reaction, law of mass action, law of mass action, law of mass action, equilibrium constant, equilibrium constant, equilibrium constant, partial pressure, partial pressure, partial pressure, molar concentration, molar concentration, molar concentration, reaction quotients, reaction quotients, reaction quotients, the reaction forward, the reaction forward, the reaction backward, the reaction backward, the reaction backward, addition of catalyst, addition of catalyst, catalyst, ionic, chapter 3, chapter 3, ionic equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, aqueous solution, aqueous solution, aqueous solution, electrolyte solution, electrolyte solution, non-ultralight solution, non-ultralight solution, non-ultralight solution, strong ultralight, strong ultralight, strong acid, strong acid, strong acid, strong base, strong base, strong base, weak ultralight, weak ultralight, weak acid, weak acid, weak acid, weak base, weak base, weak base, monoprotic weak acid, monoprotic weak acids, monoprotic weak acid, polyprotic weak acids, polyprotic weak acid, polyprotic weak acids, degree of ionization, degree of ionization, degree of ionization, percent of ionization, percent of ionization, percent of ionization, self-ionization of water, self-ionization of water, self-ionization of water, auto-ionization of water, auto-ionization of water, the hydrogen ion exponent, the hydrogen ion exponent, pH, the hydrogen ion exponent, solvolysis, 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 hydrolysis, 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 hydrolysis of salt, hydrolysis of salt, hydrolysis of salt, common ion, common ion, common ion effect, common ion effect, common ion effect, solubility, 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 buffer solution, buffer solution, buffer solution, solubility product, solubility product, solubility product, the molar solubility, the molar solubility, a precipitation, a precipitation, a precipitation, a precipitation, chapter 4, chapter 4, electrochemistry, electrochemistry, electric energy generating reaction, electric energy generating reaction, electric energy generating reaction, electric energy consuming reaction, electric energy consuming reaction, electric energy consuming reaction, electrochemical process, electrochemical process, electrochemical process, oxidation numbers, oxidation numbers, oxidation numbers, anode, anode, reducing agent, reducing agent, reducing agent, oxidation, oxidation, reduction, 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 cathode, 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 oxidizing agent, oxidizing agent, oxidizing agent, electrochemical cells, electrochemical cells, electrochemical cells, galvanic cell, galvanic cell, voltaic cells, galvanic cell, Daniel cell, Daniel cell, salt bridge, salt bridge, salt bridge, electrode, 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 potential of galvanic cell, electronic potential of galvanic cell, cell potential, cell potential, electrode potential, electrode potential, oxidation potential, oxidation potential, reduction potential, reduction potential. Chapter 5, Chapter 5, Coordination Chemistry, Coordination Chemistry, Transitions Elements, Transitions Elements, Transitions Elements, double salt, double salt, double salt, complex salt, complex salt, coordination compound, combination compound, first valence, first valence, first valence, second valence, second valence, coordination bond, coordination bond, central atom, central atom, central atom, monodentate ligand, multidentate, multidentate, coordination complex, coordination complex, coordination complex, coordination number, coordination number, coordination number, complex ion, complex ion, neutral complex compounds, neutral complex compound, coordination sphere, coordination sphere, effective atomic number, effective atomic number, effective atomic number, chain theory, chain theory, valence bond theory, valence bond theory, valence bond theory, crystal field theory, crystal field theory, crystal field theory, molecular orbital theory, molecular orbital theory, molecular orbital theory, donor atom, donor atom, donor atom, angular momentum, angular momentum, angular momentum. Chapter 6, analytical chemistry, analytical chemistry, analytical chemistry, analytical chemistry, a quantitative analysis, a quantitative analysis, quantitative analysis, a quantitative analysis, a quantitative analysis, volumetric analysis, volumetric analysis, volumetric analysis, titration, 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 equivalent point, equivalent point, equivalent point, end point, end point, indicator, indicators, indicators, titration error, titration error, titration error, neutralization reactions, neutralization reactions, neutralization reaction, oxidation and reduction reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions, a precipitation reactions, a precipitation reactions, a precipitation reactions, the formation reactions, the formation reactions of complex ions, the formation reactions of complex ions, equivalent mass, equivalent mass, equivalent mass, organic chemistry, organic chemistry, organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, 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 alkane, 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 alkene, alkene, alkynes, alkynes, substituted, substituted hydrocarbons, substituted hydrocarbons, substituted hydrocarbons, functional group, functional group, functional group, alkyl halides, ultrafil reagent, reagent, nucleophile reagent, nucleophile reagent, alcohol, alcohols, 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 ethers, ethers, biochemistry, biochemistry, carbohydrates, 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 a glucose, a glucose, a glucose, sucrose, 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 fructose, 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 starch, starch, cellulose, 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 protein, 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 amino acid, amino acid, enzymes, enzyme, enzymes, lipids, lipids, soaps, soaps,